Welcome to Rhythm Radio, a Le Sommelier Club initiative.
Let's start today's broadcast with a quote of APJ Abdul Kalam. Don't take rest after your first victory, because if you fail in second, more lips are waiting to say that your first victory was just luck. Hello everyone, welcome back to Wine of the Week. It's Ajit TS of 8some here. On this week, we are going to have a look on Feteli Set. It is a relatively highly priced, flavorsome and smooth wine with rich flavors of smoky coffee and chocolate. This is one of the most popular brand in India and the taste amazing with spicy Indian dishes. Sette means 7 in Italian, which indicates that it is a dream that 7 brothers of Feteli had. The top 1% of grape from the Feteli estate is used. Sette is a barrel-aged red wine matured in French oak for 14 months. The alcoholic content is 13.5%. Thank you for listening me. Have a great day.
Hello everyone, myself Jobit. Welcome back to Beer of the Week. Today we are going to discuss about the beer called Chicha, which is a corn beer from America with 1 to 3% of alcohol by volume. It is traditionally prepared from a specific yellow maize called jora. Nowadays, the traditional method of making chicha is rare. Only Bolivia, Peru, Ecuador, Colombia, Costa Rica are making it traditionally. Quero is the name of the glassware which is used to serve chicha. The beer is used as an ingredient in several dishes in US like stews and rice preparations, and also it acts as a substitute of white wine. It is one of the alcohol beverage using human saliva as an ingredient in it. Thank you everyone for your kind attention. We will see next week, same day, same time. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is me Sijo. Welcome back to Cocktail of the Week. Today we are going to discuss about daiquiri. Daiquiri is made by using shaking method. Coupe glass is used for serving. The ingredients required for making are light rum 60 ml, freshly squeezed lime juice 30 ml, Demerara sugar syrup 20 ml and ice cubes 2 cubes. The method of preparation is add all the ingredients in a cocktail shaker with ice and shake until well chilled. Strain it into a chilled coupe glass. We can garnish with lime twist. Thank you for listening. Stay home, stay safe and have a great day.
Welcome back to Quiz of the Week. Myself, Jivin Jose. Topic of the quiz is gin. First, gin is derived from which word? Second, what is the actual color of gin? Third, what is an old tone? Fourth, what is the second most popular botanical used in gin after juniper? Fifth, which country has the highest per capita gin consumption? Hope all are attending the quiz. Answer of the previous quiz are the following. First, whiskey is believed to have been first distilled in which country? Ireland. Second, which grain is the base of single malt scotch? Barley. Third, on a whiskey level, what does the term barrel strength mean? The whiskey is not distilled with water. Fourth, in 2007, which one is the best selling whiskey in the world? Jack Daniels. Fifth, what does the term malt means as used in malt whiskey? It means the grain was allowed to germinate before being cooked. Thank you everyone for attending the quiz.
Thank you for spending some time with Rhythm.